Letter K5LLA. This is from a Union Pacific. It's got the Letter Backcaps, which was a little surprising since it came from a Union Pacific. I don't know why that they would take it off a train already, but who knows? I own it. I paid for it. So, and to honor New Year, I figured why not get a new air hose. So all I gotta do is simply, it's got two females. Put this male. It's got 1/2-inch threads. Goes right underneath there. I don't know if I can do it with just one hand. And there we go. You can see it's threading in. Tighten that down. I put this on, and because it's got two females, I just put this little adapter on. I have this just in case if I have a hose that only has a male and female, so that's no problem. So let me put this on, put you on a tripod, and let's hear this thing roar for the first time.